Welcome. If you're looking to stay updated on your LinkedIn page's performance, enabling push notifications for Page Insights is a must, especially with the latest LinkedIn update. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up push notifications for your Page Insights right from your PC. First, open LinkedIn in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. On the left side of the screen, find and click on the Notifications tab. This section controls all the alerts you receive from LinkedIn, including emails, in-app notifications, and push notifications. Now scroll down until you see the Pages option. Click on it to expand the menu. Here, you'll find several notification categories related to the pages you manage. Look for the section labeled Insights on your pages. This is where you control notifications about new followers, page views, and other analytics for your LinkedIn page. To enable push notifications, simply switch the toggle next to push notifications to the on position. Once activated, you'll start receiving real-time updates about your Page Insights directly to your device, keeping you informed about your page's performance as it happens. Remember, you can revisit these settings at any time to adjust your preferences or turn off notifications if you need a break from alerts. That's it. You've now enabled push notifications for your LinkedIn Page Insights on PC. With these updates, you'll never miss important trends or analytics about your page, helping you stay ahead and make better decisions for your brand or business. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more LinkedIn tips.